So welcome to the class. Today we'll be learning footprinting through social networking sites. Okay, so there are two types of tools are there which we'll be using about how to footprint through the social networking sites. Okay, so there is a Kali Linux, or there is a Linux tool that is named as the Sherlock, and that is Sherlock is a tool to search a vast number of social networking sites for a target username. So what does that mean is when we give the a particular username with the help of this tool, what it will do means it will find that particular username in a different websites. Okay, so where this particular username is used in a different websites. Okay, so that will be doing in the practical way. And another social networking site is there that also do the same thing. Okay, so that is like social searcher. Social searcher allows you to search for content in social networking networks in real time and provide deep analytics data. So this is also do the same thing. So let's do in the practical way. So first we will be doing the social search. Okay, so let's go to the Chrome, or just open your Google and just type social searcher. Yes, and like if you type this social searcher, you will be getting the one link here, that is a socialsearcher.com. Just open this link. Okay, so what we'll be doing here means we'll be giving the username. Okay, we'll we can give any username. We'll give John and John. Type the same name, and let's see like how many things you'll be able to find, and how many sites will be using this kind of name. And it can be different name also. So let's try to search it. So it is searching in the real time in 5 sources. See, we have got a lot of username here, like John Wick, John Gray. They are like these peoples are present on the Instagram, and these are I don't know what kind of these applications are there. But these are the websites like where these kind of peoples are present, or these kind of username are there. Okay, so like you can put the different kind of queries here, so you will get a lot of information about your target. Okay, so there's another thing, like people will be like mentioning about the iPhone 13. Like if they use iPhone 13 as a hashtag in somewhere in a post, like so that thing also, it will this kind of social networking site will show. Okay, so it will give you the information, how many sites are using these kinds of it will take only the major sites will be there, no, those kinds of sites will be using the hashtag like iPhone 13. So it will show to you. Okay, so let's see what it will show. So let's try this one, and you can try different query. Okay, see, again here you can see the real time search in 11 sources. See, they have a lot of websites are there, like who are using iPhone 13 as a hashtag. You can see here, like here also they have used iPhone 13 as a hashtag. Here also you can see. So like this kind of you can put the queries, and and you can find about the particular things and all. So this was the just example. Okay, so let's try with the Sherlock. Okay, so this is kind of it is a Linux tool, or you can say the Linux script. Okay, so it will also do the same thing, but like it will be in like in a different way. So let's try in the Linux system. Just open your Linux. So I have logged in as a root. Okay, so how you can do this? So you have to download the Sherlock tool first. Okay, so how you can download the Sherlock tool first means you have to just open your browser in your Linux system, and what you have to do means you have to just type Sherlock GitHub, because GitHub is the source where we can download all this kind of scripts or tools for the Linux system. So as we can see here, there's a github.com, and there it is providing a Sherlock project, and we have to open this first link. Once we open this first link, just open it. And in before classes I have shown you how to uh, clone clone these tools, and how to download, and like how to run these kind of tools and scripts. Okay, so I just what you have to do first, you have to just open that their link, and you have to copy this link, the entire link. Just you have to select whole, and just copy, and just minimize this thing, or you can close these things. Okay, but I don't need right now. So I will be closing this particular web browser. Okay, so I have just copied that thing. So what I have to do means I'll just open my terminal. So what I have to do means I'll just type the git clone. That is a command line. Okay, that is a command to to clone or download the a particular thing from the GitHub. Okay, so I just do this, and I will just paste that link. Okay, just paste that link here. So after that I have to just put enter here. I'll be using enter. Just use enter. Okay, so it is like I have downloaded it before only, so I have to remove that file. I have to remove that file. Okay, so I have to remove this file. Okay, so again I'll download front of you. So so it is cloning into the Sherlock, and it is downloading the file. Okay, okay, so our file is downloaded right now. So what we have to do, we have to list the files or directories in this particular we are in the home directory right now of a user root. Okay, so let's see how many things or data is present here. Okay, so what we have to do means we have to use the list command. So that is the ls in the Linux system. And once you hit enter after typing ls, so it will list all the data or files or anything is present in this directory. Okay, so see, you can see here a lot of things are there, but we have only required the Sherlock. So what we have to do, we have to select this Sherlock, and we will copy this. Okay, then what we have to do means, if you want to enter into the Sherlock, what we have to do means, just you have to type the cd and just paste that Sherlock folder here, and just hit enter. So we can see here like we are in the this particular directory or folder. Okay, so just again I'll be doing the ls command to list out all the files present in this directory, that is ls, and hit enter. You can see a lot of things are there. So what we have to do, we have to check the requirement, and we can directly install the requirements. Okay, so before running this tool, we have to install this requirement. Okay, that is requirements.txt. So how we can do this means, there is a module of a Python. Okay, that is a pip. Okay, that is a pip. So it will help us to install this kind of requirements. Okay, so what we have to type means pip install r. R means used for for txt files will be there. No, this kind of like will be like we'll be doing for this. Okay, so we have to type like r requirements.txt. Okay, if you type this, so once we have to, after doing this command, you have to hit enter. Okay, so it will download everything, whatever it is there or not, it will download everything. If it is already there, means it will show like, requirement already satisfied. Okay, if it is not there, means it will like download everything. So I have before also I have tested all these things, so it has already downloaded for me. Okay, so what I have to do means, I'll just typing the command like python 3. I'll just type the Sherlock, and just I'll give any username, like I'll give you a username like a Devika. Okay, so it will find the Devika name in the different websites. Then hit enter. So checking username Devika. So it will check the username as a Devika, and it will search on a different websites. See, you can see the result here. Like there are a lot of username is present in different kind of websites. So we have to wait a little bit. So it will find everything. Okay, so let's wait until it find a better result for us. See, it is grabbing a lot of information uh, from different websites. So our target is Devika. So so our target is Devika. So it is finding information about Devika. So this includes in the module 2, that is footprinting and reconnaissance. Okay, see, it is providing a lot of information here. Okay, so that's it for now. Like we have to wait a lot to get a lot of information about our target in the different website. So like I'm just for the example I have done this practical, and remaining, like, if you want a full result, then you have to wait. So for the example purpose, this is enough. So I'm just quitting this, and that's it for the this session. Okay, thank you guys for listening to me.